Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and this is a sand and water table from the brand deAO, a definite must-have this summer. This water table is such a great sensory activity for any little one, especially to encourage them to be outdoors. My little one loves the little stool that it comes with. He sits up and gets back down very comfortably and safely, and he just loves playing with the water, especially during these hot summer days. He really enjoys all the different toys that come with the water table. There's a bunch of little shovels and buckets and pitchers that a little one can use to play with the water or the sand. In this case, we are just using water. It's a great way to keep him refreshed while we're outside during the heat. It's a fun way to get him to play with water as well and learn how to use the pitchers and the buckets. It's made out of plastic, so it's really easy to keep clean and just wipe it down after each use. And it was extremely easy to put together. It just comes together like a little puzzle. Just took like 10-15 minutes, and we keep it outside, and so far it's holding up really well to the sun, and we look forward to playing with this all summer long. So if you're in the market for a water and sand table, you're definitely going to want to check this one out from deAO. It's so much fun. There's so many fun things for a little one to play with on it. It's going to entertain them for a long time, and that's my point of view.